Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be talking Pantone, and we are going to be talking Pantone color for 2020, which is blue. And I went with a royal blue, but it's more of like a denim, like a dark denim blue. I love the way that this look turned out. I feel like it's just so muted, and then your eyes are just really popping from the blue liner and the blue mascara. And I think that this is a great way to wear color to work without it being overpowering. You can alter this so that you can just do the blue liner or maybe just the mascara. If you were to do a black liner with the blue mascara, your lashes would stand out a little bit, but it wouldn't be as bold as what I have on today because I doubled up on the mascara and the liner. So if you guys are curious and want to see how I got this, then let's go. Alright guys, so I have on, as you guys can see, my face makeup, but I don't have on any eyeshadow. And I wanted to use this palette today, which is the Viseart or Visart Milieu palette. And I am going to take this shade here and apply that all over my lid. And I'm using a rougher brush. So I'm trying to find the motivation to film, and I don't want to do like a full face tutorial. And the base that I have on and the concealer and stuff, that's all going to be a separate video because I'm reviewing a concealer for you guys. I don't want, again, to just film a ton, this really long video that then I have to edit. Like, I'm in a funk, guys. I'm trying to snap the hell out of it, but it's a little hard. I'm going to take, actually, I just found inspiration. Okay, so I'm going to take this shade here and apply that to the crease. So I don't know if you guys know, but the Pantone color of the year is a blue. It's this beautiful blue, and we are going to do that today. Guys, I'm going to show you how you can rock that blue. I'm debating on whether I want to do a liner that's blue or do a brown smoky eye. We're going to start off with a brown smoky eye. And the reason for that is because I'm going to show you like the more work-friendly approach to wearing the blue, and then we'll do a fun look tomorrow using the blue, or on Monday. You guys will get a video with a blue eyeshadow look though. I have all these ideas that I've written down and that I've planned for the month, but when I look at them, I'm like, I don't want to do it. And I'm just telling you, it's just the funk. It has to do with nothing else other than mama is in a funk. I'm going to take that same brown shade, this middle one here, and then run that under my eyes. So I was thinking that I wanted to look in the mirror, and I realized it doesn't have a mirror. Which, it doesn't bother me, but it would be nice to have one. And I'm just running this under my eyes. I'm just blending this out because I feel like it looks a little patchy here. It snowed last night, and I think I'm gonna go out there and clean the snow. I have a migraine, and I think I just want to do something because I just feel like crap. I'm gonna take the same flat brush, and I'm actually going to go in with this shade here. Yep. I love these browns. I love a good neutral brown with some warmth, and I feel like this palette is fantastic for that. You're getting neutral shades with a little hint of warmth, so they're not like cool and they're not like too neutral. Those are my favorite kind of shades. And I love this palette. Every time I pull it and use it, I'm like, oh, it's such a good palette. And as you guys can see, these shades blend out beautifully. They are very pigmented and easy to work with. Before I actually tried the brand, I was a little put off by the packaging. It's gotten better. Like, this is much better than what it used to be, but the packaging looks cheap. And let me tell you, it doesn't ever bother me anymore because the product itself is fantastic. It's one of the best formulas that you'll ever try. They really aim to appeal to the makeup artists, like the working makeup artists, and that's why these products, that's why the shadows are so pigmented. And I think that's why the packaging is what it is, because you can see exactly what you have. So it's not so much, the concern is not so much to please, you know, the everyday consumer. It's more or less to help the working artist see what they have. But it's a great brand. It's a great everything. Like, I love this brand. Okay, this is what our smoky eye is looking like. So we are going to go blue. This is the Laura Mercier Cobalt Gel Liner, and we are going to use the YSL Blue Mascara. This is one of my favorite formulas ever. I'm currently using the black one, and it's just so good. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my liner, do my mascara, and I'm gonna come back and show you how to think blue. So I wanted to show you guys that I messed this eyeliner up, and I want to show you guys how to fix it. So I'm going to take my creamy concealer by NARS, and I'm using this Anastasia brush. This is a number 20. It's just a flat concealer brush, and I'm going to load it up. I don't know if I'm pretty sure I've shown you guys this because I mess up liner a lot. So I'm going to take this concealer and then just run it right under the wing. This is a nice step also if you're going to, if you want to sharpen up that line. And then I'm going to take a small brush and then just blend that out. Looks good. And then we'll do the same to this eye. This eye, I can already see that I need to elongate my wing just a little bit more. Now you have liner that is sharp. I wanted to show you guys what it looks like without the blue mascara. So I'm going to take my Extended Play Giga Black Lash by MAC, and we're going to use this so that you can see what it looks like, because adding a black mascara just kind of softens the intensity of the blue. So it looks defined, it looks pretty. It's just a softer approach. So you guys will see what it looks like when I do the blue. And the reason why I'm using this formula versus the Vinyl Couture is that the Vinyl Couture is pretty intense and heavy, and it's going to be a little difficult to layer the blue over it. Alright guys, so this is what it looks like with a black mascara. So now let me introduce you to this bad boy. This mascara is fantastic. This was actually the mascara that won me over when I first worked at Sephora. They had just released the Vinyl Couture line, and I had gotten the blue and gratis, and then after that I wanted all of the colors, but I only ended up doing the blue and the black, and then the blue, black, and brown. They pulled the other colors before I could even get them, and we were supposed to get the burgundy in gratis, but they did not give it to us. So by putting a black mascara on before the blue, it's going to soften again the intensity of the blue. If I had just gone in with the blue color or even my primer, this would have been like bright fluorescent blue. But look at the difference. You can still see the blue. Okay guys, so you can add blue mascara to the lower lashes if that's what you want, but I will not be doing that today. I'm just going to keep the focus really on top. For my lips, I'm going to be using Contour by Pat McGrath. I think she did a beautiful job with this color. For my lips, I'm going to be using Unbutton by Fenty. And I just kind of really want to keep that blue popping. I'm tempted to do the blue on the bottom. For my cheeks, I'm going to go in with my Charlotte Tilbury Glowgasm palette. And I'm going to take the bronzer. And I'm just going to apply this. Like you guys see, I'm not trying to be super precise with it. And the reason is because I'm not going to do blush. I want to keep everything else really muted and just keep the focus on the blue. And I'm going for it. I'm going to do the blue on the bottom. I'm just loving this blue. This is, I'm telling you, this is one of my favorite products. It makes any look edgy. It makes it special. And this mascara is everything. So if you guys are looking for mascara that's going to give you volume and length, more volume than anything else, go with the Vinyl Couture line. I love their brown mascara. It has like a little bit of a coppery finish to it, but it's so rich in pigment that it looks like a brown, like a deep brown. It's so pretty. All right guys, so here is my final look. I love this combination. I love the way the brown looks. I love the way the blue stands out. I love just how muted everything is, and really you're getting a nice balance, and then that pop of blue which just kind of hits you in the face. Now I will tell you guys that it does take some time to get used to this blue. You can kind of see the color of the lashes, but I just love it. If you were to do a black liner with a blue mascara, it looks pretty, like the blue really stands out, but you're getting a softer finish. The other thing I would say is if you want to do the blue mascara and the blue liner, but you think that the eyeshadow is too much, you can always just do like a color in the crease and then keep everything else just muted, and then really you don't have a brown backdrop for the mascara and the liner. I personally like to use a color behind it because it does make the blue stand out just a little bit more. Like, look at that. Regardless, with this kind of blue, you're gonna just call attention. It's just beautiful. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this. Please be sure to like this video, subscribe, and leave a comment down below letting me know, do you want me to just focus on one thing? Like today's look was that cobalt blue, and you didn't have to see anything other than just some face product and the star of the show. Let me know down below what you guys are thinking. I hope you enjoy this, and I know I owe you guys my favorites for the year. I'm working on it. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.